Hello, and my next guest is Conlan Verbenetsky from Scienscope.
Hi, pleasure to meet you, Trevor. How are you doing today?
Very good, thank you. So you've got some exciting news, Conlan, because I believe you've got a new storage tower product. That
Correct, yeah. So let me introduce myself a little bit. Mm-hmm. So my name is Conlan Verbenetsky. I am the East Coast Regional Sales Manager for Scienscope. So I cover basically Texas and up.
Okay.
So I try to do my best, Scienscope tries to do our best to provide solutions for everyone on what they're looking for. And so this new machine that we're offering, the tower, essentially is going to help out with that fully automated process. So what it does, right, is all the customer has to do is you grab a reel or a cart of reels, load it in, machine will take it in, grab the reels, bring it over, scan it, grab the barcode, whatever information you have on there.
Right.
Grab that information, grab the actual reel, and then store it into a slot and have that information saved for the customer.
Right. Wow. All in one go without touching it.
Exactly. Right. And that's what we wanted to provide. Right. And because that's not only the automated machine, but it's a whole line of automation that we have.
Right. Right. So, yeah, because you also have labeling systems for goods inward. You've also got counting systems as well.
Correct.
So do these things? So how does it work then? Would you have an AGV? Would
Yep.
them in?
We even have an AGV too. That's also new. So essentially, like if I went through the process, right, we would start with our IMS 200, right? You have your vendor reels coming in. It's going to go ahead and grab that cart. It's going to grab the reels, scan the reels, print off the label, sticker the label, create the UID for that, and then spit it out. And then the AGV would come by, grab that, and then go to the next one, right? So let's say you want to make sure you're actually getting a correct count on your vendor reels.
Right.
That would be the next step and go into the 5100 that we have. So it would take it over to the 5100. Again, the AGV would push it out. The machine would bring in the cart, grab the reel, count the reel, update your ERP system, label it, and then spit it out. And then from there, AGV would grab it, take it to the smart tower, and the smart tower would grab the reel, store it, and then put it away for you.
Right. Wow. And so, what's the capacity of the tower?
You're looking about 2,000, and that's going to be for, let's say, if it's strictly just 8mm reels. Now, if you want to, we can much customizable things with it, right? So all the shelves are all customizable. So if you want more of a larger store capacity, you can. We can do trays as long as they're in actual cartridges. You should be fine with that. Bags, put in a cartridge, you can just put it in there, and it should be good.
Just to reiterate, when it comes to kitting,
yes.
You put in a kitting list and it will prepare the different reels and give you a complete kitting list of racks.
Yep, so you can actually just tell it, hey, this is the actual work order I'm looking for. Yep. These are the parts and these are the quantities I'm looking for. The machine will then go ahead, grab all the reels, scan it, tell it that, hey, your ERP system, this is leaving now the machine. And so that way it loads it up all on your cart for you and just spits it out.
Okay. Excellent.
Yeah.
So like an end-to-end automatic system then?
Yep, that's what we're aiming for.
Right. Well, that's very exciting. So what's this new tower called then?
This tower is the SMD Tower 2000.
SMD Tower 2000. That makes sense.
Yeah. Keep it easy and simple, right?
Absolutely. Great. Well, it's exciting news, Conlan. And
thank you so much.
I want to thank you for coming in and telling us about it today.
Of course, Trevor. It's a pleasure being here. Thank you so much for having me today.
Okay.
All right. You take care.
All right. So that brings us to the end of today's programming. And I want to thank you for joining us. And we look forward to seeing you at the next show.